There's no secret that the Lunar New Year is a big thing in Bangkok. We are now at the Samian metro town, and since it's the year of the snake, they have made a big snakes and ladders tabletop game. Hello everyone and welcome back to Gear Companions. In today's video, we're not just playing a game, we're actually the pawns in the game. The rules are simple. Shop at the mall in any shop and get a receipt. And that receipt will be your entry ticket. Roll a dice and play snakes and ladders. You get 3 throws, and if you're lucky, you can land on a tile that will give you 2 extra throws. Just like what I did. I'm usually not that lucky in games, but today it really was my day. Because not just one time, but 2 times I got 2 extra throws. And if you combine that with me climbing up the ladders and climbing up the snake, it really felt like I was cheating. I can assure you that I'm not cheating. And even if I knew how to cheat, I'll not be able to do so when Thai people are as nice as they are. And with a big chunk of luck, that's how I ended up winning the Snakes and Ladders game. And to see what I won, you need to check out one of our early videos to see what it was. But I were not the one picking it. That was for the camera girl. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video next time. Bye!